Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then just makes mapping out, and especially in this situation, a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. When you consider that at one point during the day, the price was all the way down here, and then by the closing bell, the price managed to close all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, today's price movement has definitely been a very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 36 cents. So why is 36 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, let's say that the price were to actually come down to 36 and then just continue on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart. And, you know, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, that's just not a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 36 cents. What about levels of resistance? Main level of resistance going to be right up here at just shy of 41 cents. If you go through the history of thing, you can see 41 rejected the price, and then final 30 minutes once again rejected it. So right around 0.408-ish to be exact, but or just call it 41 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going into Tuesday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today. Great bounce. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.